Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review of the Trigger Fanatics weapons cleaning solutions. Now this is supposed to clean, prevent rust, protect, and lubricate. It's sort of an all-in-one type of cleaning solution. I want to send a shout out to Trigger Fanatics for sending this out to me for review. I should have done this video weeks ago, but I've been overwhelmed with just a lot of things to do. So we're going to give this a try and see what it does. The gun I have is a Taurus G2. This thing has had about 20,000 rounds through it. Have not cleaned it once. This is my dirtiest gun in my inventory. I've already broken it apart, and you can just see how dirty and how much carbon buildup you have. The slide is just disgusting. So I should have cleaned this gun a long time ago. Just everything's dirty. Barrel is filthy. So what I'm going to do is right now in real time, I'm going to go ahead and clean these parts. Now you can spray this solution directly onto the parts of the gun, or you can spray a cloth and wipe it down that way. So I'm gonna do a little bit of both. So first I'll go ahead and spray a little bit here, and we'll go ahead and we'll wipe off the barrel. So I've already put some of this solution inside the barrel so they can start breaking down the carbon. So look at that, it's coming pretty clean. Let's get this part of the barrel. Most important part is going to be the inside of the barrel though. Let's look at how dirty that is, how much carbon was removed. So as you can see, it's starting to come back to its original silver color. Like I said, I've already added some of this solution inside the barrel. So I'm going to run this cloth through the barrel. And you can just see how much carbon is coming out. So as you can see, this works pretty well. Let's go ahead and we'll go through the slide really quick. And you have some more internal parts there that also need to be cleaned and lubricated. Look at that. This sucker is filthy. But this solution definitely is working. Spray some directly in here. Go ahead and wipe. So yeah, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and clean the whole gun. Once it's all cleaned up, I'll come back and show you what it looks like after I'm done. Be right back. All right, guys, so we're back. I just did a very thorough cleaning of the Taurus G2C with Trigger Fanatics one-step solution, and this stuff works amazingly well. Now, as I stated, I've shot about between 10 and 15,000 rounds with this gun, have not cleaned it a single time. So if you go back and look at the beginning of this video, this barrel was almost black. Now look at it. Amazing. Take a look at the slide. So I got this gun clean within about 10 minutes. So you're not going to be struggling and scraping for hours to remove carbon. This just flat out works very well. And this is my new cleaning solution going forward that I'll be using to clean all of my guns. Amazing product. Again, thanks Trigger Fanatics for sending this out to me for review. Guys, check them out. Down below, I'm going to include a link to where you can go and pick this up. I'm Tactical Black Guy. Highly recommend this product. And I'm out. Peace.